best of the best, and believe me, they don't get up thinking, hey, I'm going to go out and kill somebody. They don't do that. They're just regular people.
Whenever I see
they're special people.
Yeah. And they're people with families and feelings and everything else, not a bunch of robots. You know? So this is a Surfliner.
So this one will go up to San Luis Obispo?
It depends on the train number. Depends on the train number. Certain train numbers will go all the way there, and some of them will stop in areas before that. A lot of them terminate in LA.
Oh, okay. There's a guy from San Diego PD. He's a train guy, and he'll jump on, like say San Diego, and he'll go to Chicago, and he goes by himself. I would do that. I would do it.
It's fun. My sister and I took a train trip in a lifetime and wanted to do it for 30 years. And that is, we jumped on the train from LA. Well, we jumped on one of these trains and connected to a train in LA and went all the way up to visit our other sister in Washington. Oh my gosh, it was absolutely beautiful. And what's wonderful about this, as opposed to flying, yeah, it's going to take a day and a half instead of 2.5 hours. But you look for some of the most beautiful country you've ever seen, and there are places still where there has never been a road, only train tracks, and the only way other than to see it, other than a train, is either to hike or take a canoe down a river. And it's just, whoa, just so nice, you know? So, and the service you get is great. They really attend to you really well, make sure you're comfortable, have all your needs taken care of. I can't afford getting a room on one yet because they're kind of expensive.
Yeah, I've seen that.
But so we were in the seats all the way up there. Now,
take care, brother. Now, what's his tire? What is his?
He'd be a conductor.
Conductor.
So,
I can do that.
See, that's what I'm thinking of now. I'm actually going to start interviewing. I'm getting a resume together, and I'm thinking of working for Amtrak. And it'd be great because I've been in the service industry. I've been in the restaurant industry for 40 years. I wish I had retirement, but you know what? Places close down. You jump from one restaurant to another.
Right.
Another.
Where's your store at?
Mine's in Long Beach. And I live in Santa Ana.
Southbound.
Yeah.
The schedule's at 12:41. It's like 1:10.
Sometimes they're behind schedule.
Because of the geometry training.
You're right. Sometimes it is that because there is something that. Oh, here comes another. We've got another coming up. Another Surfliner. These are called Surfliner trains because they mostly travel on what's known as a Surfline from here down to San Diego, and at times it's less than 100 feet away from the tracks, the beach,
wow, that's
the
nice.
water. So,
What's your name, sir?
I'm Larry.
Bob Marcano.
Nice to meet you, Bob.
Yeah, same here. So if you want your YouTube channel, I'm going to check it out. Thank you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Take care.
Bless you.
All right, same to you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Bob.